the leaves to the bites on your knees, kill the universe. Might get a sight of the breeze. You're not psychic, you're free.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Angler Boy T Black checking in with a whole nother video, guys. And today I'm finally in the Keys, guys. I drove 2 hours and 49 minutes to get here. I left my place like around 6:30 and it is now 9:30, guys. Sorry about the text message I just received, but guys, stick around. I'm gonna be doing some bridge fishing in the Florida Keys. Stay tuned for another lit video, guys. Don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe for more Key West videos. You guys give me 100 likes on this video, I promise I'll be back in the Keys, guys. So once again, stick around for another lit video. Net? No sir, sorry. What pound test? 20? A big jack, you want to be on YouTube? For sure. Oh, you have all about the bait chum. You got Steve, so I'm for sure. Guys, check out this nice jack. What pound you don't think you can handline him?
I might be able to pull it.
You might be able to handline him.
Yeah, let me just
But
pull it.
slowly. All right, these guys hooked into a nice jack. I just got here. Let's land this guy. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, man. I might have to beef up my test. Maybe handline, but not flip. Like little by little. All you have to do is get it out the water and they can go right under. He's tired though. He's for sure tired. He's done. Little closer, little closer. Oh, no, no. Right there. Oh. Oh. The current's ripping. Right there, right there. Come behind them. Come behind them. No, no. Ahora sí. Damn. Right here, let's try. Right here, right here. That one. There you go. Good job, brother, with the netting. There you go. Look at that, y'all. Nice one. Woo! Look at that. Hold it up for the camera, buddy. Hold that up for the camera. Look at that one. Nice one. What's your name, brother? Ricky? Nice to meet you. That's what you call a nice one, man. Nice one, Ricky. My buddy Ricky just hooked up on this nice jack on a live shrimp, y'all. So stick around for some more action. Trying to mold to get bunched. All right, y'all. What I'm doing is clearly I'm catching some ballyhoo on the sabiki rig. Oh, I got three. I got three. No way. Don't come off, baby. Don't come off. These are valuable baits, y'all. Oh. Oh, can you get them? Get him, get him, get him. That one right there. You see him? Don't let him. No. Oh. Yo, we saved 2 out of 3. That ain't bad. No problem. We could get more. Yo, look at those nice fat ballyhoo, dog. I'm gonna load up and take some of these home. If I catch nothing, at least I catch some of these bait. Check that out, y'all. Nice Florida Keys ballyhoo. All of them won't make it alive. Check that out, y'all. On the sabiki rig, nice ballyhoo. I honestly never caught ballyhoo in my life, let alone from a sabiki and a bridge. All right, y'all, we're gonna try to catch some more of those ballyhoo. Let's see. Just let that sink, give it a couple jerks. Ballyhoo scatter when bait hit the water, but they come back pretty fast. then you just bring it up to their level, and there you go, y'all. You got a ballyhoo. Look at that, I got one. Let's see if we could get some more. Got two. I got two. I got two, y'all. Let's see if we could get another one. Let's go for three. We got two. Oh, one. One got away. Let's see if we could get this one landed, y'all. Check that out. Oh, another ballyhoo on the bridge. You should chunk up some of those ballies. That's a ballyhoo? Oh, yeah, for sure. Perfect. This one I'll throw them in the live well. The only thing I don't like about ballyhoo is the beak gets tangled in the sabiki. Guess not. Oh, perfect. Perfecto. Oh yeah, we gotta get that line in. I think it's that one. Yeah. But he has to cross you. Hold on. There you go. He should be right there. You guys have a net? Oh, that's a mutton. You could get him up. Almost 16. Woo! Hold that up, brother. Let's see it in the camera. Check that out, y'all. Little undersized, but that's still nice. The bite's picking up as the sun comes out, y'all. Perfect. Fair enough. We only can do what we can do. All right, y'all. I'm gonna drop this sabiki right down there and try to get those ballyhoo. Bring it up to their level. Almost had one there, y'all. All right, y'all, let's go with another recast. Let that sink. The ballyhoo are gonna scatter, y'all, and then they're gonna come right back. Got them, just like that. Got them, y'all. Check that out. Let's see if we could double up. Let's see if we could double up. Double up. Double. Oh! Let's see if we could double, y'all. We got one. Let's see if we could double up. See if we could double up on that ballyhoo, y'all. All right, probably not. So let's just land this guy. Whoa, I'm telling you, dog. The ballyhoo wrangler. Check that out, y'all. Nice ballyhoo. Just got myself with the sabiki, but that's okay. That's a nice ballyhoo, y'all. Check that out. Awesome bait. Drop them in here. Oh, we got one, y'all. I think we got one. Smaller little grunt. Little dude. I can catch these back at home. Later, buddy. Got another one, y'all. I don't know what it is, but it's probably another little grunt. Yep. Another little grunt, y'all. Second fish here in the Keys. Little grunt. Later, buddy. All right, and what's your name, brother? Austin, all right. Let's shout out to his dad. Here's his dad, man. The kid's super happy. I love to see kids fishing, man. All right, guys, what you're seeing right now is the end of the Key West Channel 2 bridge. Guys, I'm gonna be leaving right now and headed back to my place. Got a 3-hour drive ahead of me. So, guys, don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.